Is that rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's unbox this thing. It's a different riding style. Like when you've got your foot on the back kick, you're in a different stance as well. Your center of gravity is a bit different, which you can ride the Raptor 2 like that as well. Like you can, but yeah, slightly wider stance, but having the wheels either side like this. Is yeah, that'll be nice. If you can see that the road's a bit fucked up, or there's a transition onto the road from a path or a crack, you really have no option to pop over it with that, which is a problem when you're going 50 kilometers an hour. But yeah, I think eventually that's what we'll have, you know. Probably a deck like this without a kick, maybe like super premium wrapped in carbon fiber, and then sort of like this one, or actually like this one, which we really should open. See what is in here. Can anyone guess what's in there? Sort of looks like a skateboard deck, right? What have we got here? Get rid of all that crap. Get rid of all that. Oh, it's got grip tape on it. Cool. Whoa! Sweet. Yeah, that's fucking nice. Can you see the blue stripes down the side? One of my original Raptor 2 decks had that blue line in it, and I didn't end up going with it, but this sample I got to put back in there. You can see where we cut out as well that it's actually made a nice pattern. But this deck is sort of like it's just an option for Raptor 2 owners, basically. In the not too distant future, all of our Raptor 2 orders will be shipped out, and we'll have Raptors in stock, and then we're gonna put other products on our website, so people who have Raptors can actually upgrade and you know, make changes to their setup, like different decks. We've obviously already got different wheels on there now. I've got another design as well that I'm gonna get the sample done for now, because our deck factory has made, they got a bit of free time basically, so they've made enough Raptor 2 decks to keep production going, so it's time to do samples. So we're gonna probably try a deck without a kick. I'm not 100% convinced. I'll need to try it myself. Yeah, there'll be a few options on the website, and look at that little kick on that thing. It's just a little kick. I'm gonna have to stand on it. Let me stand. Sweet. So we've got, this is like a Raptor 2 basically without the handles. Obviously it has a kick, but quite a decent size kick there. This guy is just like a little kick. What do you reckon of that shape? Write down in the comments if you like this shape. It's sort of like an evolution of the Raptor 2 deck, slightly less aggressive lines, and yeah, just a shorter tail, and obviously no handle. And I think that the grip tape looks pretty cool. It's sort of like the old school decks. I don't know, obviously we probably need to put our logo or something there, but very fucking cool.
Yep. It's a bit shorter. Yeah,
it's a tad shorter. Yeah, the nose is a tad shorter, and obviously the tail. The wheelbase is the same. Everything's the same there. The width is the same. Yeah, it's still nice and rigid. That's what you want. just enough of a kick just to get a bit loose with. There's nothing more pleasing than just simple lines sometimes. What do you reckon, Ryan? Should we actually put some wheels and stuff on this or what?
What are you working on, man? Because it kind of looks like a Raptor 2 handle.
Yeah, I'm gonna injection mold it out of impact resistant super strength plastic. And I might, this is for all you people who like balance in your life, I might make it slightly longer just so you can position your hand slightly better. But the thing is, that's such a signature look as well.
Yeah.
Now it's like people see that and it's like, yeah, that's a Raptor. So, and the other thing as well, when the deck's like that, when you just jump off it, you can grab it from the top.
Yeah, true.
Like that's the strongest grip.
Yeah.
Where you can really get your fist closed. Like that is not strong.
No.
So the problem is when you close your fist, you actually need your knuckles to have clearance. That's why that system works so well, because that actually is clearance for your knuckles. And it's such a signature thing as well. You're not even going to notice that it's off center slightly. Yeah. Because that's long as well. The weight of the motors causes it to be balanced on one side, you know, imbalanced. Yes, so the idea with a new handle and a slightly different position is that when you pick the skateboard up, the balance is better. So it'd be good to validate that before we do mass production.
Hey guys, Brian here. I'm sitting in the boss's chair today because Jason's actually looking after the kids because they're sick. So I am gonna go ahead and put that new deck design that we got a few weeks ago onto the board, and we'll see how it rides. Yeah, let's do it. So I finally got the Raptor kit out of the other deck. So now we're going to put it on the new deck.
Sweet looking setup. You know, I took that aggressive shape out of there and that aggressive shape out of there. There's something about this that just has an iconic look about it.
Yeah.
Has this got a full-size battery in it? Wow. That's incredible. That makes so much of a difference.
Yeah.
Far out. Still got to bend the arm slightly. Oh, yeah. Jeez. I've done the drawing. It's 7 mils. 70 mils back.
like.
So basically, the interesting thing, what it does do, if you go from here to here and get the center, that's actually where it lines up. So the center of the handle is actually going to be dead in the center of the whole board. Yeah, I don't know, I think this is too much of an iconic shape. With those handles and everything like that, just...
Right, give a super quick first impressions of the board. So because the back motors are so heavy and the batteries in the front, well, the batteries, you know, the entire deck basically, it's very hard to kick up. A lot harder than the regular Raptor 2 deck, which is not really a good thing. In terms of riding style, I really enjoy having a nice wide deck like this. If you can see my foot position. It really suits my riding position, which is pretty cool. Yeah, overall it feels quite similar really when you're riding. It's a bit more, I don't know, it's just, I think the wider style just suits the stability of the Raptor drivetrain. So yeah, it's nice. Probably just ride it for a few days and see how it goes.